Hi you fives and sixes, welcome back to term 4. I'm super excited hopefully to see you guys back at school soon. This term we were going to work on target sports for both year 5s and 6s, two different sports but both focusing on target, and we're really focusing on the strategies involved in the target sports. So things like when I'm trying to hit the ball to a target, how do I do that? Do I change my swing? Do I change the speed that I'm swinging? Do I change the height that I'm hitting the ball? And also things about how to beat your partner. Maybe you're versing someone one-on-one in tennis. Well, how do we beat them? Do we hit it away from them? How do we make sure we're in a good position? Do we get back to the middle of the court? All those kind of things. We'll have a bit more of a chat about that a little bit later. Today we're going to focus on just getting used to hitting the ball again. So I'm going to use a tennis racket and a tennis ball. You could use anything else that you might have to be used as a striking sport. Some of you might have a cricket bat and a ball. Some of you might have golf clubs at home, even like something like a putter. Some of you might even have an old stick of wrapping paper that mum and dad let you use, and a tennis ball. You could even use that. And we're going to think about the way that we swing to try to have more success at hitting the target.
Okay, so you can see I got my racket and my ball, and I'm going to be hitting it at the target on the wall. A few things I'm going to change. You're going to see me change how hard I swing, and I'm also going to have a think about the height that I swing as well. I'm really close to the wall. I might move back in a second if I find it too easy. Let's see how I go. I'm just going to drop the ball in front of me, step forward and hit it, and see how successful I am. Okay, just a little bit to the left. I'm going to change my body position, see if I can hit it this time. A bit too high. And a bit to the right. I'm trying to adjust. I'm thinking about where I'm stepping to. If I step too far this way, it's going to go to the left. If I step too far this way, it's probably going to go to the right. Thinking about when I actually strike the ball to have more success. And I finally hit it. Okay, I'm going to move back and see if that changes anything. Okay, I've moved a little bit further away from the ball to make it a little bit more challenging. I'm going to think about how high I hit it this time to have success. My first few, I'm just going to hit it really flat, straight at the target, and see if I can hit it. Alright, let's see how I go. You can see when I'm swinging through, I'm swinging from medium to medium to try to get it nice and flat. Pretty bad shot then. You can see that flat sometimes works really well. For me though, it's not working so well so far. Let's see how I go this time. Pretty good. Okay, now in something like tennis, hitting it really flat will often help. If you're playing something like golf, we're actually trying to get it into a hole, it's better to have a little bit more height. This might not work very well. I'm actually going to hit it a little bit higher and see how I go this time. Pretty good. I've softened up my swing. I'm also swinging from low to high, which will put top spin on it, but it'll also give it a bit more of an arc, more like a rainbow. A little bit too far to the right. Pretty good. You can see straight away that me just slowing down my swing has helped me to be more accurate. So have a think. Think about changing the speed of your swing. Think about the trajectory. Trajectory means how flat it is. Is it flat or has it got an arc on it, to see how much success you can have. Why don't you practice, find a target, have a bit of fun as well.